Samsung's upcoming foldable phone, the Galaxy Z Fold 7, appears to be more of a refined upgrade than a complete redesign, according to recent leaks. Rather than introducing revolutionary changes, Samsung seems focused on improving key aspects that matter most to users, a strategy that has worked well with recent launches like the Galaxy S25 series. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to feature several enhancements across design, display, and camera, making it a more polished and user-friendly version of its predecessor. A new leak by tipster Anthony on X, formerly Twitter, reveals that the most notable upgrades could come in three main areas: display, build quality, and camera. Both the internal and external screens are reportedly getting larger, with the inner foldable display possibly expanding to 8 inches and the outer screen growing to 6.5 inches. The device might also feature an improved under-display camera, UDC, on the inside, delivering clearer selfies even when the phone is unfolded. Additionally, Samsung could reduce the visibility of the crease on the foldable screen, enhancing the overall viewing experience. In terms of design, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to be thinner than its predecessor, potentially just 4.5 millimeters thick when unfolded, making it one of the slimmest foldables available. Samsung might also introduce new display layers to boost durability and reduce wear and tear over time. Improvements in water and dust resistance are also anticipated, aligning with modern smartphone standards. One of the most exciting rumors is a major upgrade in the camera system. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 might be the first in the Fold series to sport a 200-megapixel main sensor, bringing it closer to Samsung's flagship Galaxy S models in photography. This could result in sharper images, improved low-light performance, and overall better photo quality. Other expected enhancements include improved stereo speakers, more responsive haptic feedback, a larger vapor chamber for better cooling, and the latest One UI 8 software. The device is also likely to be powered by Qualcomm's new Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. Samsung is expected to officially unveil the Galaxy Z Fold 7 in July, alongside the Z Flip 7. Later in the year, a more budget-friendly Galaxy Z Flip FE model may also be introduced. Samsung's handling of the One UI 7 Android 15 update hasn't gone over well with fans. The official release is scheduled much later than any previous One UI version, leaving Galaxy smartphone and tablet users feeling let down and impatient for new features. The delay has also raised questions about whether upcoming updates, such as One UI 8, will suffer the same fate. However, several reports indicate that Samsung is aiming to speed things up with One UI 8, which will be based on Android 16. It's even been suggested that the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 will launch in the second half of the year, with Android 16 and One UI 8 right out of the box. Our insiders have confirmed that the next-gen foldables will indeed come preloaded with the newest Android and One UI version. If that turns out to be accurate, we can expect the One UI 8 update for current devices like the Galaxy S25 to arrive significantly earlier than the rollout of One UI 7. Various leaks have already provided insights into their design, and now newly surfaced third-party accessories further support these rumored changes. Images posted on X reveal a cover for the Galaxy Z Flip 7, with dimensions suggesting a Moto Razr-style larger cover display, reportedly measuring 4.5 inches. The leaked renders also depict a design more akin to the Razr. Additionally, a screen protector for the Galaxy Z Fold 7 has appeared, indicating a taller and wider display compared to its predecessor, aligning with previous leaks about its dimensions. This change could enhance usability when the device is folded shut. As the release date approaches, more leaks of this nature are expected. By now, Samsung would have finalized the specifications and design, with mass production likely to begin in the coming months. Rumors suggest that the Z Fold 7 may take design cues from the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition, a slimmer and sleeker model with slightly larger displays, which is currently exclusive to South Korea and China. In terms of performance, the device is expected to feature the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, although previous reports have hinted at a possible Exynos 2500 variant. Samsung typically introduces its foldable lineup during its annual Galaxy Unpacked event in July or August, and the same schedule is likely for 2025. For those looking to purchase the Z Fold 7, several trade-in deals are expected. Samsung may offer up to $1,200 in trade-in credit, while Verizon could provide up to $1,000 off with a trade-in and an unlimited plan. T-Mobile is anticipated to offer discounts of up to $1,000 for Go5G Plus Next customers, or $600 to $800 off with a new line. Similarly, AT&T may provide up to $1,000 off with a trade-in and an unlimited plan. The Z Fold 7 is expected to be available in 3 storage configurations: 256 gigabytes, 5 or 12 gigabytes, and 1 terabytes, catering to different user needs.
According to Galaxy Club, the Galaxy Z Fold 7's camera system will include 200 megapixel primary camera, same as the S25 Ultra, 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera, 10 megapixel telephoto sensor, 10 megapixel cover screen selfie camera, enhanced under-display camera, UDC. While the resolution of the UDC hasn't been confirmed, the source states that Samsung has made notable improvements to the sensor.
The Galaxy Z Flip 7 is shaping up to be a major upgrade, while the Galaxy Z Fold 7 seems to be getting far less attention. Two major leaks have surfaced, revealing exciting changes for the Flip 7, but raising concerns about Samsung's approach to its book-style foldable. This shift in focus suggests a larger strategy at play, but it also raises the question, is Samsung sidelining the Z Fold 7 on purpose? The Z Flip 7 appears to be receiving significant improvements. One of the most notable upgrades is its battery capacity, which could increase to 4,300 milliamp hours, making it the largest battery ever in a Flip device. Additionally, leaks suggest a major cover display redesign, possibly moving toward an all-screen front for a more modern and functional experience. If Samsung equips it with the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, as rumored, it could become the fastest clamshell foldable yet. These upgrades indicate that Samsung is treating the Flip 7 as a priority, making it stand out more than any previous model. A key reason for this aggressive push could be the upcoming Z Flip Fan Edition, FE, expected to launch in 2025. This budget-friendly foldable will likely inherit features from the Z Flip 6, such as its 4,000 milliamp hour battery and 3.4-inch cover screen. With the Flip FE targeting the mid-range market, the Flip 7 must offer significant upgrades to remain the premium choice. This focus on creating a strong Flip lineup, however, may be coming at the cost of innovation for the Z Fold 7. Unlike the Flip 7, the Z Fold 7 appears to be receiving minimal upgrades. No major design changes have been leaked, and there are no significant new features expected. This lack of development raises concerns, especially considering the underwhelming sales of the Z Fold 6. With Apple rumored to be launching its first foldable iPhone in 2026, Samsung should be refining the Fold series to maintain its dominance in the book-style foldable market. Instead, the company seems to be shifting its focus to future Fold models rather than improving the current one. Looking at the bigger picture, it seems that Samsung is prioritizing the Z Flip 7 to compete with Huawei in 2025, while saving the big Z Fold upgrades for 2026, the same year Apple is expected to enter the foldable market. Some speculate that Samsung will introduce a Z Fold FE year, making its book-style foldables more accessible. But for now, this approach leaves the Z Fold 7 feeling like an afterthought. The question remains, is Samsung making the right move by focusing on the Flip series, or is it letting the Z Fold lineup fall behind? Samsung's next major phone launch of the year will focus on its foldable lineup, and recent leaks have given us a glimpse of what to expect from the Galaxy Z Flip 7. Initially, the leaked renders suggested that the device wouldn't differ much from the Galaxy Z Flip 6, particularly in terms of the cover display, which has largely remained unchanged for 2 years. However, new renders indicate that Samsung might finally be introducing a significant change to the cover display, making it resemble Motorola's Razr foldable phones more than any of its previous Z Flip models. Traditionally, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and 6 featured a folder-style cover display with 2 camera lenses positioned just above the tapered panel. Motorola, on the other hand, designed its Razr phones with a fuller cover display that integrates the camera lenses within the screen. If these leaks are accurate, Samsung appears to be adopting a similar design approach for the Galaxy Z Flip 7, which would result in a larger cover display. Reports suggest that the panel will measure around 4 inches, compared to the 3.4-inch display on the Galaxy Z Flip 6. While the user experience may only see a marginal improvement, considering that part of the screen will be obstructed by the camera lenses, Samsung may have opted for this change as a way to refresh the design after 2 years of minimal updates. With limited areas left to innovate in terms of aesthetics, expanding the cover display could be a strategic move. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 is also expected to feature the powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 processor and a larger 4,300 mAh battery, making it a significant upgrade from its predecessor. If these leaks hold true, Samsung's next clamshell foldable could be its most feature-packed offering yet, potentially surpassing rivals when it is unveiled in the second half of this year, likely around July or August. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content.